Tonight, let us make a solemn vow. Tonight, let us make a covenant. Let us resist the temptation. Let us repel the vindictiveness of one man, the leader of the House of Representatives. He is responsible in weakening our institutions. Kinuha nila yung pera ng PDAP. Kinuha nila yung pera ng PDIC. Kinuha yung pera ng DBP. Kinuha ang pera ng PhilHealth. Kinuha lahat ang mga pera para ilagay sa project ng DPWH. Let us resist that. Let us say no. These people now gathered tonight have the capacity to do that. Let the terms of this covenant reach the shores of Tacloban City. To remind that man from Tacloban that he cannot lord over, that he cannot change the destiny of our people. They want to impeach the Vice President because he wants to become Vice President. Hindi po pwede. It cannot be done. It cannot be done. They invented the Quadcom because they want to prosecute the former president. Hindi siya para inquiry in aid of legislation. Wala pong legislation na matino ang ginawa ang Quadcom. For more than 13 hearings, makita po ninyo yung ginawa nilang panukalang batas. Kahit na grade 5 student, pagtatawanan yung ginawang batas. Because it was not really intended to enact laws or to supplement in making laws. It was principally designed to prosecute and persecute the former president.